Hi everyone, I am trying the iSmile teeth whitening kit today. I tried another product that I purchased online and it did not work. So hopefully this product does work. Let's see what happens. This is day number 2, one treatment so far. I did not put a lot of gel on the first treatment yesterday because I wasn't sure if my teeth would be sensitive. They weren't sensitive at all, so I'm going to be putting a lot more gel for day number 2. Here is the results after day number 1. I don't really see any difference. Today is day number 4 and I just had an epiphany. I have been putting the gel in the top portion of the teeth tray, but I didn't realize that I could also be putting it down below to get my target area. So today I'm putting the gel not only in the top area, but in the bottom area to try to get dual whitening up here, but also down here. Unfortunately, the teeth whitening kit did not work for me. I want to give you a little bit of feedback from my experience using it. Number 1, I did like the price of the product. It's priced between $20 and $25 on Amazon. You can't beat that. That's good. Number 2, they do offer you a money-back guarantee if it doesn't work for you. Also excellent to know. Unfortunately, I purchased the product and then I fell outside of the window of when you could get a refund, so I wasn't eligible for one, but good to know if you're wanting to purchase it. Number 3, and this is probably like my biggest issue with the product, they did not give you formal instructions inside the box. Instead, they give you this little 3-step instruction piece here. And to me, that wasn't enough because I didn't really know what the different shades of teeth played into the whole process. And I also didn't know what to do with those little funnels that I had to attach to the whitening gel pens by removing the blue cap. I actually emailed the company to get directions on those funnels because I had no idea how they fit into this whole process. If I had had better instructions, that would have been helpful. Number 4, this is not a big thing, but wanted to call it to your attention. This can get a little bit heavy if you just hold it into your mouth, so you might want to hold it with your hands. Number 5, I did not need the sensitivity gel or the demineralization gel as they call it, and my teeth are pretty sensitive, but that was not necessary. Number 6, in order to maximize the positive effects of the product, I made sure to brush my teeth beforehand so that my teeth had a clean surface and that the ingredients could work effectively. Number 7, I have heard that the blue light, not necessary. I read that in other reviews, but I made sure to use it to enhance the effectiveness of the product. Number 8, I was really concerned with getting the lower teeth whitened, so I just took some and just kind of put it on my teeth for longer than the standard 10 minutes to kind of really give me some positive results, but unfortunately that did not work. Number 9, take a look at what I read before I purchased the product online. Use once a day for 10 minutes to remove stains. Experience up to an 8-shade whiter smile in 7 days with our Enamel Save 35% carbamide peroxide formula, the same formula you'll find at the dentist. I tried to use the product for 7 days, but I actually ran out between days number 5 and 6. So I felt as though there was not enough product in the kit, so that was a little bit disappointing. I used it as they prescribed, but again, I did not have the desired result. My final comment on the product is this. I did notice a little bit of superficial whitening right after I brushed my teeth after the application of the gel. My teeth did look a little bit whiter, but it wasn't anything that was permanent. I could still see the yellowing in my teeth the next day or a couple hours later. It just gave you that little temporary pop of whitening. But I also see that pop of whitening when I use Hello toothpaste, which I really like. I was using the charcoal formula, and then my hygienist said, don't use that. That's not great for your teeth. So now I use just the naturally whitening formula with Hello. And when you use these toothpaste, you do see that temporary pop of whitening as opposed to just using a standard toothpaste. That being said, I have come to the conclusion after trying 2 products now. I've tried Lumino, also something I purchased on Amazon, and you can look at my reviews here on this channel, and no success with either product line. So I'm probably going to have to go to the dental office to get my teeth as white as I want to.